How would you like to draw skulls?
Hey, guess what? I made an exclusive course only for those who are interested in it. And I have a funny feeling that it might be something for you. Let me show you what it is.
From the dawn of history, every human being has had a skull. Wait a minute. Are you kidding me?
What? What's the problem?
Everyone had a skull? What kind of a dumb statement is that? Who wrote this script?
I don't know. Just please continue.
Some people had ugly skulls and some had beautiful ones, like hot chicks. What? Are you kidding? Did you write this, Vincent?
Sounds like an idiot wrote it.
I have to admit, I'm a little embarrassed too. Who wrote such a dumb thing?
Hey guys, have you seen my latest script for the course video? Ha, now does that make sense? Yeah, it does.
That's it. I vote for a new script.
Me too. Me three. Hey, what was wrong with the original one? Let me give you a new one. How about this one?
Ah, it just came in. Oh, okay. Yes, I can work with that.
Go for it.
The human skull forms the basis of understanding the portraits you draw. You will better comprehend shadow areas in the face, such as the eye sockets, the area around the nose, the cheekbones.
Boring.
I'll be quiet, you. This is fascinating. It is art.
In order to understand the depth and anatomy of what lies beneath what seems to be a flat surface, learning to draw a skull can be a valuable addition to your knowledge of art and sophistication, which will enable you to create professional three-dimensional effects.
I was going to say that when you draw the human skull, you are going to see faces in a different light.
Yes, the skull. It's all about the skull. Skulls rule.
Now, don't become arrogant. I know you're very important, but there's more to drawing a portrait than just knowing how to draw a skull.
Okay, fine. I was just getting a little excited.
Wait, why are we drawing skulls? Why don't you pay attention?
What is this? Do I just repeat myself? Obviously, he didn't catch anything I said.
No, just ignore him. But I don't get it. What did you say?
Don't worry. I will get rid of him. I think he's scared of me.
Sure, do what you have to.
Hey, Vincent from the Netherlands.
Yes?
Boo!
Good. No more annoying questions. Anyway, I hope that clarified what this course is all about. The price is right here at the bottom of the page. It's only a one-time fee, so no recurring payments. You'll have access to all of it for the rest of your life.
That is a good deal. I would buy it.
Yeah, I think so.
It's too cheap. It should be $1 million.
That's going a little too far, don't you think?
No, it's too important. Skulls are the ultimate source of knowledge for art.
Excuse me, can I give an overview of the course now?
Sure, go ahead.
First, we will go over what other art masters of the past have done with the anatomy of the skull. We will show you how the human skull is different from other species, the creepy part about the skull, and then we will go over its facial features separately. In the end, we will...
Hold on, I thought they just could see the overview beneath this video.
Oh, fantastic. He is back. Huh?
Yes, so...
Then why are you telling everyone this? They could just scroll down.
Look, I'm just doing my job, buddy. I'm the narrator. I read scripts.
Maybe I should scare him again.
Please do. He is annoying me already.
Okay, here we go. Boo! 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 Boo!
I'm sorry, but it doesn't scare me anymore.
We finally found a way to get rid of him and now it won't work anymore.
Okay guys, I think this intro has lasted long enough. Just take a look at it and see if it's something you want to add to your cart. And thanks for watching.
Oh.